Alright, we got this assembly back in. Everything looks like it's working like it's supposed to. I did have the needle bearings fall out one of the U-joint caps, so that was fun putting those back in. I wish I would have ordered swing arm bearings. I just did that now, but I think what I might do is just grease this up and get it back together. Alright, we got this all back together. Sorry I didn't really film this, but it wasn't so bad. I just used red RTV for this cover to seal it. And the biggest pain was getting this swing arm lined back up to get these stubby bolts in. So I think what we'll do now is check this rear axle oil, see what that's like, and go from there. Alright, so this drain plug is on there super tight, so I tipped it on its side. I took the skid plate off, and then I got my impact on it, and then it came off. So we'll get it drained out here. Alright, check that out. Shifts through all the gears fine, so I think our drive issue is fixed. So I got new tires I got to put on. Those are in the garage. I got those from Amazon. Gonna paint these wheels black. Then we got to sand the plastics yet. I have these plastics too, I just didn't throw them on for the test drive. But yeah, this thing's coming along. Pretty happy. Alright, please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.